Hello, my name is Becca Stone. I'm the inclusion specialist here at Providence Community Center, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lavender body scrub. This is a really simple recipe. It only requires a few materials and ingredients. I'm going to go through them and then we'll get started, okay? So first off, we need olive oil. I got a big jug of it right here. It won't run out. And then also today I'll be using white granulated sugar. You can also use brown sugar, just anything that's nice and coarse, any kind of sugar that's coarse. And then we're gonna be adding an essential oil to our mixture. Today I'm using lavender oil. You can use any type of essential oil or smell that you like. If you like peppermint oil or vanilla, it's really up to you. I really like lavender because it's a nice calming, soothing smell. So those are our main three ingredients. Then I'm going to be using measuring cups. I've got 1/4 of a cup and a 1/2 cup measurement. We'll need a bowl and then a spoon to stir everything with. And I'm going to show you how to get started. And so here's our body scrub, our final product. I hope that you enjoyed making this body scrub with me today. It's a really, really great thing to use, especially during the summer. You might be outside. It helps get off all those dead skin cells off your skin. One important thing to remember is to keep your scrub in a temperature controlled environment. So I like to keep my body scrub just in a plastic container in the fridge. But I'm so glad that you spent time with me learning how to make this. I hope that you really enjoy it. Thanks, guys.